Hey, this is Joe, and today let's talk about the quotient rule. And we use the quotient rule when your function can be written as one function divided by another. In other words, our function f of x here can be written as g of x divided by h of x. And the quotient rule is, if I want to take the derivative of a function of this form, I, in the numerator, take the bottom function times the derivative of the top function minus the top function times the derivative of the bottom function, and I divide that by the bottom function squared. And so let's work with an example. Let's say we have to take the derivative of the function x to the fifth power plus 3x minus 1, all of that divided by tangent of x. So we can identify our top and bottom function. Here we see our top function is going to be x to the fifth plus 3x minus 1, and our bottom function is going to be tangent of x. We also can then take the derivative of the top and the bottom function independently here. In other words, we know that the derivative of g of x is 5x to the fourth plus 3 using the power rule, and the derivative of tangent of x is secant squared x. And this is one of those trig derivatives that you may have to memorize for your class. And so really, once we've found the top function, the bottom function, and the derivative of both, we really just plug all of those into the positions within the quotient rule to get our answer. And so following the pattern of the quotient rule, we start with the bottom function, which is tangent of x here, times the derivative of the top function, which is 5x to the fourth plus 3. We multiply both those two things together. Then we have minus the top function, which is x to the fifth plus 3x minus 1, times the derivative of the bottom function, which will then be secant squared of x. And then in the bottom, we square the bottom function. So our bottom function is tangent of x, so we put tangent x squared down there. And so we get that our derivative is equal to tangent of x times 5x to the fourth plus 3 minus x to the fifth plus 3x minus 1, all that times secant squared of x. And that's our numerator. And we have all that divided by tangent of x squared. So let's work with another problem. Suppose we have a function like this. We have natural log of x divided by sine of x. Quickly, we see that natural log is our top function, and sine of x is our bottom function. And so let's take the derivative of our top and our bottom function. The derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x, and the derivative of sine of x is cosine of x. And for both of these functions, you may have to memorize those derivatives for your class. And now that we have the top and bottom function is defined along with their derivatives, we just plug them into the quotient rule format, or template. We start with the bottom function times the derivative of the top function, which is going to be sine of x times 1 over x. Then we subtract the top function times the derivative of the bottom function, so that's going to be natural log of x times cosine of x. And then we divide by the bottom function squared, so we get sine of x squared. And so our derivative is sine of x times 1 over x minus natural log of x times cosine of x, all that divided by sine of x squared. And so if you can identify your top and bottom function and each of their derivatives, really all you have to do to use the quotient rule is plug them into this format.
If you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribing, or leaving a comment to support the channel. I'm Joe, and thanks for spending some time with me.